All right, we just got this Chefman microwave, and it's great because it's small in size because we needed something to fit on this counter with our other appliances, and this fit in perfectly. So I wouldn't want anything bigger, but it's also powerful. You can see inside, it stays super clean, easy to clean as well. Just gonna be kind of a standard microwave and pretty powerful as well. Normal settings as well, you can just click start and it will start your 30-second cook time, and then you can just keep adding. And obviously the stop button, and very easy to set the timer and different things. They have different settings as well. Just a straightforward microwave that gets the job done. So I highly recommend trying this one out if you're looking for a good one for like a countertop or like a dorm room or something that's small and compact yet as powerful as a normal microwave. So check out Chefman.